Hi guys, welcome to Monday's reading video. And today we're going to read the Scholastic News Smile Like a Crocodile. So in your Scholastic News envelope, you can take out this packet, Smile Like a Crocodile. And we are going to do a couple of things. The first thing we're going to do is read the magazine, hard copy or online. Then there is the back page, and this is a Google form that you can complete online. So you don't need to complete the hard copy, it's a Google form. Then we're going to complete the Compare Animal Teeth worksheet, and this you will actually complete on the worksheet. And parents, I'm going to ask that you take a picture of it or scan it using notes and then upload it to Google Classroom. All right, so let's get started. And I'm going to share my screen. Go back to the cover. All right, what is the title of this magazine? Yeah, these words in pink, Smile Like a Crocodile. Let's read these white words together. If you were a crocodile, you would have many sharp teeth. You would give a big, wide smile. Can you smile like a crocodile? What is the headline to this magazine? The headline. Yeah, the headline is up here. These white words. Let's read it. If you had teeth like the animals. Different animals have different kinds of teeth. They use their teeth in different ways. Let's read this box. As you read, think about how the shape of each animal's teeth helps the animal use them. Let's move on down to this section of the magazine, and let's go to the part about the elephant outlined in teal. What is the heading of this section? The heading is going to tell us what we're going to read about. What is the heading of this section? Take a second to point to it. Yeah, it's these teal words right here, but this usually a heading is a phrase. That means that it's not a sentence, it's just a couple of words. This is the beginning of a sentence. You see the comma here and the sentence is going to finish. So it's kind of like a sentence starter. If you had teeth like an elephant. So this section is going to tell us all about what elephants do with their teeth. If you had teeth like an elephant, your teeth would be long and pointed. Teeth like that are called tusks. What would you do with those tusks? You would peel bark off trees. Then you would put the bark in your mouth and eat it. So there are two bold words in this section. Take a second to see if you can find the two bold words in this section. Yeah, they're tusks and bark. Now we also see a label on this picture of an elephant pointing to the tusks of the elephant. If we click on this, and if you're doing the online portion, you can do this too. If you click on it, it should bring us the definition. We wait a minute. Here we go. Tusks. Long, pointy teeth that grow outside the mouths of elephants and some other animals. I'm wondering if you can think of what other animal has tusks. What other animals have tusks? All right, let's look at the next bold word, bark. The hard covering on the outside of a tree. I bet most of you knew that. All right, it looks like we've learned all we can in this section about elephants. Now we're going to move to the section about sharks. And the heading here is in blue. If you had teeth like a great white shark. So this section is going to be how great white sharks use their teeth. Let's read it again. If you had teeth like a great white shark, your teeth would have sharp, bumpy edges. What would you do with those teeth? You would eat big animals like seals. Your super sharp teeth would saw into the animals you eat. And then there's a picture of a shark's tooth. And it says, look at the bumpy edges of this shark tooth. You can see them right there. And I know a lot of people this year have said that they have shark's teeth. So I wonder if yours have bumpy edges too. Up here, there's a video you can play also if you're doing the online portion. All right, I think we got all the information that we can about a shark. Let's look at the horse. That's a funny picture of a horse. If you had teeth like a horse, the heading, your teeth would be sharp and flat. What would you do with those teeth? You would bend down and cut off grass to eat. Your sharp teeth would snip it right off the ground. You would be like an animal lawnmower. I don't see a label on this picture and I don't see any bold words, so I think we've got all the information that we can about horses. So we're going to move on to the last section and quickly point to the heading if you can. Yeah, it's these orangish, yellowish words. If you had teeth like a beaver. So this is going to teach us all about what a beaver does with their teeth. If you had teeth like a beaver, your teeth. No. Your teeth would be sharp and flat. Beaver teeth are also orange. What would you do with those teeth? You would chew on tree trunks until the trees fall down. Then you would eat the wood or make homes with it. So I learned that a beaver's teeth are orange. I have no idea. All right, so I think we've learned everything we can about beavers. So now is when you will go to the Google form, and all of this information is in the Google form. So I'm going to stop sharing. And I'm going to go back to here. And the back page of Scholastic News for Monday, that's where the Google form is. You'll click there, click the Google form, and then it's the same pictures and the 4 questions that are there. So you can fill out the information there and be all set with that. Now let's look at this worksheet. So this is the second worksheet you have to do. Compare animal teeth. Let's read the directions and then I'm going to show you what I have on my board. So it says, I'd like you to write your name, and then it says, compare animal teeth. Read about the animals in your Scholastic News. Choose 2, then fill in the boxes below. All right. Let's move my computer so you can see. All right. Now we need to write our name. So I'm going to write Mrs. Hutchins. And then I need to choose 2 animals, then fill in the boxes below. So the first animal that I'm going to choose, I'm going to go look back to my Scholastic News. I'm going to choose the beaver. I can't remember how to spell beaver. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to make sure that I am looking up the word beaver so that I spell it correctly. So it's B-E-A-V-E-R. Beaver. And it says draw it, be sure to show its teeth. So I would make sure that you're drawing in pencil. And then down here it says, how does it use its teeth? Here you're going to write a complete sentence. You have 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. That's plenty of room for a complete sentence. So I'm going to start my sentence with a beaver. I'm not going to start it with the word it. I'm going to start it with a beaver. How does it use its teeth? A beaver. What do I want to say about a beaver's teeth? I could say that they're orange, but that doesn't really answer my question. How does it use its teeth? So that's an interesting fact, but not what I'm going to write here because it doesn't answer the question. How does it use its teeth? Well, I'm going back to the magazine, and it says, what would you do with those teeth? You would chew on tree trunks until the trees fell down. Okay, so a beaver, I'm not going to copy that same thing down because those aren't my words. I'm going to take those words and put them into a new sentence. A beaver uses its teeth to cut down trees. Okay, I could end my sentence there, but I notice all this other room I have. So I'm going to work to expand my sentence to make it a better first grade sentence. I'm going to go back to the magazine and see what else I can learn. You would chew on tree trunks until the trees fell down. I already talked about that. Then you would eat the wood or make homes with it. How can I add that to my sentence? A beaver uses its teeth to cut down trees and make homes with the wood. I like that. And make homes with the wood. Perfect fit. All right, so this is a great first grade sentence. Let's read it one more time. A beaver uses its teeth to cut down trees and make names with the, not names, make homes with the wood. My H kind of looked like an M. A beaver uses its teeth to cut down trees and make homes with the wood. All right, so I'm going to challenge you to pick one of the other 3 animals or use a different sentence. But you need to choose 2 animals. You need to draw a picture, making sure you show their teeth, and then you need to write a complete sentence. All right? All right. If you have any questions about that or any questions about uploading or anything like that, please let us know. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Bye.